In this video, I'm going to unbag and compare 3 new condition sustainment pouches I ordered off of Amazon.com. They all came in together in the same box, and I want to see if all of them are actually in new condition or if any of them have any wear on them. And then I just want to do a side-by-side comparison of them to see if they have any different external features other than the color or camouflage pattern. 2 are for the MOLLE II system, and 1 is for the Philby system. Starting from right to left, I have a white Mylar bag. The label on it says GI MOLLE II Sustainment Pouch ACU Camouflage, new. The ACU is the Army Combat Uniform. It's also known as the UCP, the Universal Camouflage Pattern. The MOLLE II rucksack that I have is in this camouflage pattern. So I'll just go ahead and tear the bag open. You can see it's a digitized camouflage pattern. And it looks kind of faded in a few places, unless that's the way it's supposed to be. No, that's faded. So it looks a little dingy. Wow, that's pretty big. This is my first time handling a sustainment pouch. I'm kind of new to the MOLLE system and still learning about it. So it's got a drawstring that's olive drab, and then the release for it's in a sage color. The plastic clip that holds the two halves together there, which closes the top half, I should say, over the rest of the bag, is in a sage. And then everything else is in kind of a tan olive kind of color. There's a couple buckles on the side, snaps to attach it to a rucksack, and there is a clear pouch that you could slide some sort of tag in there, maybe to identify yourself. I don't think you can fit a CAC in there. There's that might be talcum powder in there. I don't know. If this is new, maybe it just looks this way because it's been in storage for a while. I mean, there's no holes in it. There's no tears. There's no corrosion. But I can't really say for sure that this is new. I mean, it's in good condition, so I would order this one again. And seeing how this is the camouflage pattern for the pack that I have right now, I'm going to need another one because you put one on either side of the top of the pack. So that, I'm going to call it new. Next, in a clear bag, wrapped up really tight, the label says Pouch Sustainment MOLLE OCP. Now, OCP stands for the Operational Camouflage Pattern. This is current for the Army and the Air Force. So let's go ahead and tear open this clear plastic bag. And this thing is really compressed. This camouflage pattern is also known as a scorpion pattern. I believe that's what they called it when they were first designing it. Now this is definitely new. This looks new. This feels new. I mean, it's got that new sustainment pouch smell, you know. It's got the same thing. It's got a clear pouch here in the back that you could slide in a card. There's a little powder in there too. That's what it feels like. It's got the straps with the buttons here for, or the snaps, I should say, the snaps for attaching it to the outside of your pack. It's got the latch to close the top, drawstring that's kind of in a tan color with a tan colored, maybe not quite olive colored plastic release for it, but this one, okay, okay, there you go. All right, so this one's kind of, let me compare it to this one. This one, did I have to, all right, so on this one I push down and then it automatically cinches up. On this one, I have to pull it to where I want it, and then, does it automatically cinch up? No, it doesn't. I don't know if that's broken or what's going on there. Yeah, so new condition, it's spring loaded, but it's not really cinching up. So is that considered serviceable? Oh, there we go. Okay. So it's got a detent in there. So you've got to pull it tight and then kind of click it into place, I guess. Yeah, it's holding it, but you can pull it loose. Can I pull this one? Yeah, with enough force you can pull it loose. So this one has more spring tension on it. It looks like there's some sort of detent in there that you've got to get it to click just right or something before it holds it tight. So that's definitely new condition, and they're both about the same size. Now for the Philby. So it says here, USMC Philby Sustainment Pouch, new. And it's wrapped up really tight in a clear plastic bag, just like the OCP. Unfolding it, you see from the back side here, it's got the snaps and 4 straps, just like the others, so you can attach it to the outside of a pack. But instead of it having a clear pouch for putting some sort of label in, there's the information, including a QR code, for supply. Sustainment pouch. It's got the national stock number, contract number, the lot number, made by Eagle Industries. So you know it's good. This one looks like it's in new condition. A little piece of red thread there on it, but it's loose. It just came right off, so there's no markings on it. It's got a drain in the bottom. Does this one have a drain? Yeah, the OCP has a drain, and the UCP also has a drain. So it's all coyote. It's all the same color. So the plastic furniture on it is in coyote tan or brown. It's got the same kind of drawstring to cinch it up. I push in and I'm able to release it. Cinches right up. So, and it opens up. That's really the difference between the three. With the Philby one, I mean, the main difference is you just don't have this clear pouch here for putting in, say, like a name tag or something else like that. Otherwise, yeah, is it a little bit smaller? It looks, I mean, I'm able to set it on top of the others. It might be just a little bit smaller as well. So there you go. If you were interested in getting a sustainment pouch for attaching to a pack, with these kind of straps on here, it might attach to something that doesn't necessarily have to be military, or if you just wanted some sort of a pouch for putting your supplies in, whatever you wanted to carry around. If you're looking for something that doesn't have US stamped on it, either in large like the UCP or in a small US like the OCP, then you could go with the Philby pouch. All right, so I'd like to just see how much one of these sustainment pouches will hold. So I'm going to demonstrate with the OCP pouch. So first I'll go ahead and just open it up, hold the drawstring. Say you're going to go on a hump, or, well, I guess this is OCP, so it would be a ruck. So say you're going to go on a ruck. You might want a couple of extra pairs of socks, you know, just in case, because if you don't take care of your feet, you're going to be a hurting unit. And let's just say that maybe, you know, you want to bring an extra pair of insoles too, just in case. I mean, a good pair of insoles like these should last about 3 months, but you know, you never know. Fits in there. Now, what about field stripping your MREs? So you could do that because that'll save space, and you know, you can put a few things in here. You know, chicken and noodles with vegetables and sauce. Sounds good. And what do we got here? Vegetarian taco pasta. Okay, sure. And then elbow macaroni and tomato sauce. That should be pretty good. room, and you know, maybe you want a snack. Here's some trail mix, recovery trail mix with pretzels. Sure, why not? And you got to have something to drink later. I mean, here's some lemon lime flavored no fruit juice. Sure, right. Guess that's a replacement for the beverage based powder. But this isn't entirely full. I bet I could fit one more thing in there, and it would be something that, you know, you might want to just bring with you if you're going to be out for a while. Big bag of Skittles, of course. The fun size. See, they're individually packaged, so you could share with your buddies. Everything fits with room to spare. You know what? I want to see if I can fit maybe one more thing in here. How about Nature Valley Crunchy bars, the oats and honey. These are the good ones. These are the best ones. So it's a 12 pack. Let's just see if that'll fit in there with everything else. Right, this is expandable without crushing the box, or at least without crushing it too much. You could probably field strip it, and that would make it easier. Once again, there's individually packaged ones in there, so you could share with your buddies. Look at that. It still fits. Kind of makes a bit of a square shape on the outside there, but it fits. So I'm considering getting a Philby pack, and if I do, I've already got one piece of it right there. I just need one more Sustainment pouch. For the UCP MOLLE II pack that I'm actually wearing right now while I'm filming this, I've already got one Sustainment pouch, and I know that if I order another one from Amazon, it'll be probably in about this condition, which is acceptable. It's probably new. Maybe it just looks the way it does from just being in storage for a long time. And then with the OCP pouch, well, this one that's stuffed full of goodies, this one's going to my son. Thanks for watching.